We've made it. Cole, where in the world are we right now?
I don't know. It's been, I think I blanked out and now I'm here. It's like I clicked my feet 3 times and then, oh, I'm here.
Take me home. Take me home.
Here I finally am after this long process. We are here. We've made it. So come join us.
Come check this out. So our hole in the wall to our other side, once we get this all done, it's going to be cleaned up on that. And we have, what do we have in here, Cole?
We have our calling room with our CCAs, our customer care group.
We're ready to call over there. I don't know. Alberto,
It's Friday. It's Friday, guys.
It's 10 to 5. It's not a problem. We got it. And Cole, what else is in this expansion office of yours?
We have some other cool things. This is going to be a training room over here. So, sneak little peek. But it's not obviously finished. Getting some final touches and some new stuff. We got a nice little office space for me over here. Of course, I have a mini fridge. And then up here,
a mini fridge. Who knew?
up here, we have our new Vision Home Tours office. This will actually be partitioned off, and then he'll have his own office in here for our photography company. So, and then this rest of the space that wraps around, I don't know if you guys can see it, will be our storage space. So, pretty excited about that. I think it turned out well. What would you say?
You know, Cole, I would say that this is probably, it took a little time, but it looks fabulous.
I was in a small office, and I bet you Debbie and Al can attest to that. We were driving ourselves crazy, but we are more than excited to be out of there. Really excited for the future and can't wait for the things to come.
You're going to have to come and visit us because we will have a office opening party. Bartos Group party, kind of synonymous, and we can't wait to see you coming in and checking us out.